Hey guys, and welcome back to techguilt. And in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Apple iPad 2nd generation. So if you're interested in this video, stay tuned and we'll be right back. Roll the intro. Hey guys, and welcome back. Before we dive into this video, I just want to say if you haven't checked out our video of the unboxing of the Apple Pencil 2, please be sure to check that out in the description down below and in the thumb tag up ahead. So without any further ado guys, we're going to go ahead and jump right on in. As you can see, this is the Apple iPad Pro. Very nice. The box does have a nice little heft to it. Very premium. Apple did a really good job with this one. This is the 128 gigabyte model, the 11-inch 2nd generation with Wi-Fi. Pretty cool, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right on in to the unboxing. Very good. Apple did an amazing job with this, as always. And here we have it. This is the iPad Pro. I'm going to try to shimmy it out of the box here. But it seems like we have a vacuum effect going on. And here we are, guys. Finally. This thing gave me some work to do, guys. So here we have it. This is the iPad Pro 2nd generation, a beautiful piece of device. And wow, it feels really amazing in hand. Oh my gosh, guys. Now, for those of you who haven't held an iPad yet, I'm going to tell you, like, it fits really good in between the palm of your hands here. This is just amazing. Apple really did a fantastic job with this one. Oh man, I don't even know what to compare it to. I would say it's basically like a nice thin book. That's as best as I can describe it. It's just a thin book. It's really not heavy. It's really not light. It just has that perfect balance of that weight synchronization going on. It's not top heavy. It's not bottom heavy. It just feels really premium. Wow, I'm amazed by this product, guys. I'm just going to put this to the side right now. And we're going to see what we have in the box here. I was not expecting that one. It feels really good, guys. So here we have some standard paperwork. Let's see if they give us some stickers. Oh, they do. Oh, that's pretty big. Wow, these are some really big stickers, guys. This is nice. It does come with some stickers. A setup user manual. Pretty cool, guys. And some other standard paperwork. Now, inside the box, we can see it does come with a USB charging hub as well as a cable. Really nice. Very standard with Apple products. And that is it, guys. So here we have it, guys. This is the iPad Pro 2nd generation. And I'm very excited for this unboxing, guys. Wow. I don't know what it is about Apple's product, but I just love unboxing them. They feel really, really good, guys. And this is it, guys. Here we have the power button, some speakers, microphone, the camera with the Face ID. As you can see here, it's a fingerprint magnet somewhat. I just picked up all the dust inside here, but that's also fine. This is a beautiful piece of device. This is the power button. This is the place where you would connect your Apple Pencil to. Very nice as well. As you can see, it just kind of goes there flush. Speakers on the bottom, charging port. Some of the connections for their keyboard. Wow, guys, I'm really impressed with this, guys. Just look how it just connects so flawlessly. Let me just get the keyboard to show you guys how it all works together. So this is the keyboard folio. If you haven't seen the video for that, I'm going to also include that in the description down below. I'm going to go ahead and dock it on there to see how it looks. And wow, guys, whoa! It also it magnetically attaches to the bottom here. So this is not going anywhere, guys. This is really cool. It feels really solid. It's premium. I can say this thing is just worth every single penny, guys. This is awesome. I really like that. Apple did a fantastic job. And as you can see, we can connect the Apple Pencil up top. Wow, amazing, guys. So, guys, if you've liked this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. That'll definitely help out the channel. We very much appreciate you guys. Peace, and we'll see you next time. Also, if you haven't done so already, please be sure to follow us on social media, on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter. Also, if you're interested in how to set up the Apple iPad Pro, I'm going to have a video with that in the description down below or in one of our next videos, guys. So please be sure to check that out. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button.
Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me.